Welcome to our documentary on the innovative fishing techniques used by Japanese fishermen to catch and process billions of squid and tuna. Japan's rich fishing tradition and advanced methods have made it a leader in the seafood industry. Let's dive into how these remarkable processes work. Longline fishing is a notable method used by Japanese fishermen, especially for catching tuna. This involves using a main fishing line that stretches for 30 miles, with over 2,000 baited hooks at even intervals. Squid and mackerel are the two most common baits. This method is highly effective for catching large, deep-swimming species like bluefin tuna. In 2023, Japan harvested approximately 22 million pounds of bluefin tuna, making it one of the top consumers and harvesters worldwide. On board the fishing vessels, tuna are bled, gutted, and then stored in ice or refrigerated seawater tanks. Tuna destined for export or long-term storage is flash frozen at around 60 deg to prevent ice crystals from forming, which can damage the flesh. High-grade bluefin tuna can be worth thousands of dollars, so fishermen take great care to ensure minimal bruising, preserving the quality for highly priced sushi and sashimi. After being landed at ports, the tuna are taken to markets for auction, with the most famous being the Toyosu market in Tokyo. Here, tuna are meticulously inspected and graded based on size, color, fat content, and overall quality. In 2019, a 276 kg bluefin tuna was sold for about $3.1 million. Purseni fishing uses large nets over a mile long to encircle schools of skipjack tuna near the surface. Once the tuna are surrounded, the bottom of the net is pulled closer, trapping the fish inside. Tons of fish are hauled on board in a matter of hours. In 2023, Japan's catch of skipjack tuna was around 613 million tons, commonly used in canned tuna and katsuobushi, or dried bonito flakes. On Japanese pole and line fishing boats, fishermen stand in a row, each with a pole, rapidly hooking and hauling in tuna. This traditional method involves using poles and lines, each equipped with a single hook. Anglers use live bait to attract tuna and pull them on board one by one. Though it may look like a lot of effort, each person can catch more than 661 pounds of skipjack and yellowfin tuna in an hour without any bycatch. The yellowfin tuna catch was about 200 million in 2023, mainly used for both fresh consumption and canning. Squid is a popular ingredient in various Japanese dishes, such as grilled squid street food. Jigging is the most common method for catching squid. It involves using lines with multiple jigs or lures that mimic small fish or other prey, equipped with barbless hooks designed to snag the squid's tentacles. Squid are attracted to light. So many Japanese squid fisheries use powerful lights to lure them to the surface at night. The main squid species caught in Japan include the Japanese flying squid and the neon flying squid. In 2023, Japan's squid catch was approximately 989,000 pounds. Some squid species are caught using bottom or mid-water trawls, which involve dragging a large net through the water. After catching, squid are washed and chilled immediately to preserve freshness. They are then sorted by species, size, and quality. In processing plants, squids are cleaned and gutted, which involves removing the head, innards, ink sac, and sometimes the skin. Factories can process around 8,000 squids each hour. Depending on the end product, squid are prepared in various ways, such as slicing into rings, cutting into strips, or preparing whole squids for grilling or boiling. Once frozen, the squid is vacuum sealed and packaged for retail or bulk distribution. Longline fishing is also common for catching marlin. In 2023, Japan's marlin catch was approximately 5,000 metric tons, with blue marlin accounting for 60% of the total. Rod and reel fishing is popular for sport in Japan, especially around Okinawa and other southern islands. A mature marlin typically weighs 600 pounds but can exceed 1,000 pounds. Sports fishermen use heavy-duty rods and reels, often with live tuna bait or artificial lures, to attract these large predators. Harpoon fishing, a traditional method, is still used in some regions. This method is highly selective but requires significant skill and experience. In 2023, Japan exported over 1,000 metric tons of marlin, primarily to markets in the United States and Europe. Large, high-quality marlins are often processed differently than smaller or damaged ones. Thank you for watching our documentary on Japanese fishermen and their innovative techniques for catching and processing squid and tuna. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of fishing and seafood.